Hi, today we'll be showing you how our chiropractic adjustments are done here at Spinefit Chiro and Physio. We'll start with neck adjustments down to the lower back, as well as to do any sort of treatment that will help mobilize the spine and also help the body keep in its tip-top condition. So watch and see and listen to the cracks.
So what brings you here? Okay. Over there, cousin.
Okay.
Okay, deep breath in and breathe out. I think if I did, you try this one, huh? Deep breath in and breathe out. Okay. Okay, deep breath and breathe out. I'm sorry. Deep breath in and breathe out.
Yeah.
So I hope you've enjoyed the video seeing how I just got a full spine adjustment. Well, I hope you heard some of the cracks. I definitely felt them. If you, like me, would like to get an adjustment, just follow the instructions at the end of this video to find out how you can make an initial consultation to see one of our chiropractic doctors. Just speak to one of our team members, come for the initial consultation, and get all your questions answered. At the end of the day, at least you can make an informed decision of what you can do next. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you sometime soon.